Hi everyone, this is John Vecchio from Hidden Profits. This is the first video that I've done for everyone. If you know anything about me, you know that I'm also a short seller. And so I am hidden away at an undisclosed location in my short selling lair. And I had to figure out a place to take these videos. And so I decided to do it in the fireplace room and make it a fireside chat. The plan will be to come with you, speak to you twice a month. And the first topic I wanted to talk about was last week I went to a conference in sunny Florida where one of the presentations was about artificial intelligence. And like most presentations, probably half of it was bullshit. There tends to be an element of baloney in just about anything that I ever see. But there were some interesting trends and some interesting data that I saw. And certainly there's investment implications as well. One of the more interesting things was that from the beginning of humanity up until about 2008 or 2010, all the information that was collected has since been surpassed in the last 10 years. So if you think about that on a graph, we've slowly been going along as humans, and we're now right at about the time where we're going to go to the parabolic stage and where everything's going to go straight up. And I think the benefit of that is that the world is moving more quickly and everything's moving more exponentially, and the things that we thought were not possible even 10 or 15 years ago probably will be possible in the next 2 or 3 years. And what that means is that we got to act quickly. The good news for Hidden Profit subscribers is that a couple of positions that are already in our portfolio, one in gaming and the other in autonomous driving, are very much at that intersection of the past and artificial intelligence. The gambling company actually makes significant investments in artificial intelligence. And if you've seen anything that I've written recently, you know that I'm really excited about legalized gambling in the United States. Now, that's already a $100 billion business, but it's about to get bigger, not only because we all have cell phones today like we didn't 10 or 15 years ago, and that'll allow casinos to push bets to us as we're watching games, but artificial intelligence will allow the casino companies to craft really customer-specific opportunities for them. So if they happen to know that you like to watch the Cleveland Cavaliers or the New England Patriots, they can craft a package of bets specifically for you. Obviously, in autonomous driving, there's significant advantages of artificial intelligence. Obviously, we're going to have artificial intelligence if human beings aren't going to be around driving cars. So that's an area where I'm going to look at going in the future. The next pick for Hidden Profits is also in the gaming space, and they bought a piece of software a year ago before gambling became legal in the United States, sports gambling. And so they were ahead of the curve. And I continue to think that that's going to be a big market. But this is an area that I'm going to start to pay more attention to in the near future. And so one thing that I just wanted to point out that you could do today is to look at various exchange-traded funds that have artificial intelligence-oriented type businesses. And so you can go on to ETF database and look at those funds. The beauty about ETFs is every individual position is publicly disclosed. And so you can see what stocks are in there. I will point out that some of the big fish in the space right now are kind of all the names that we know, the Amazons, Alphabets, and Microsofts of the world. However, the companies that were leading the market in 2000 are not the companies that are leading the market today. So there will be some hidden profits in the artificial intelligence space. Now we just got to go find them. So I'll be back with you in a couple weeks, and I'll talk to you then.